Hello everyone, today is Thursday the 14th. I want to show a video of the trade room opening commentary from Tuesday, November 12th. This is a screenshot of the chart with the downside targets drawn on the chart. This is a little bit after 8 o'clock in the morning that these were drawn. And our targets and the market sentiment and predictions for market direction are forecasted before the opening price. So here's your blank chart before any price action has taken place. And I'm going to let the video play, and then I'm going to come back and show what happened.
November 12th, 2024. Tracking the NQ and the ES this morning at about 8:02 in the morning. And right now, we've got targets to the downside on both NQ and the ES. And what we're watching for primarily is that we have two separate areas of resistance that have to ultimately hold in order for those lower targets to be achieved. On the NQ, it is 274. So long as 274 holds, then the downside targets will be achieved. And then on the ES, it is 6,037.5. And for the downside targets on the NQ, the first one would be 21,050. Second, which we call as full projection, will be 21,016. You may want to give that a little bit of space and call it 17. And then rubber band is 20,983. And then, of course, if the market is actually in a position of weakness, it'll push through that one significantly, and then we'll have additional targets to the downside. On the ES, they are 59.98, 59.92 quarter, and 59.86 quarter.
We've heard the projected direction in the market and the downside targets. Here is the chart from the 12th, and I put in text here the levels. The first level, as stated, was 2151. The other two at 21,016 and 20,093 down here were not touched, but the first level, 21,051, was just about the low of the day. The low of this bar is 21,054.75. So this level was called within 10 ticks of the low, said another way. Again, note the precision trend bars, excellent accuracy, trading in between the core levels. And then on the ES, the first downside target was 59.98, and the second downside target was 59.92, and they were both achieved not till 1 o'clock on this day. Usually they're achieved early in the morning, but it took a while, but they were achieved. And then this, what we call our rubber band, 59.86.25, and the low of this bar was 59.86.75. So this was called within 2 ticks. The low of the day was within 2 ticks. Incredible accuracy. You got to love our moderators. They're really, really good. Keith and George calling the shots in the trade room. So if you want to find out more about what we do in our trade room, it's open to the public. There is a 3-day free trial. You go to the website, to the shop page, www.bluewavetrading.com, and sign up. It is a subscription. You won't be charged for the first 3 days, but you can join the trade room and check it out and see for yourself the amazing accuracy of the core levels and the amazing accuracy of our moderators in calling the market sentiment and the targets. Now, what we try to teach in the trade room is not scalping, but we try to teach you how to read the direction of the market in conjunction with the core levels and know where price is heading and where price will find support and resistance. Obviously, the buyers were down here and the sellers were here and the sellers were here. That's what it's all about. That's what real trading is all about, not following some stochastic or solar eclipse indicator or diamond tiger, from one of those websites that give it those kinds of names. That's not what trading is about. Anyway, join our Discord channel. To do a trial of the trade room, you got to be in the Discord channel because the trade room is in a channel in the Discord channel. So there's an invite to the Discord channel in the description and links to our shop page if you want a free trial of the trade room for 3 days. Anyway, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.